Hi guys, Christian from Carrot. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money from automating your payments. Now this video may be a relatively quick one, but I think the concept is really easy to grasp, and once more people think about it, they'll be able to implement it pretty easily and they'll understand what I'm talking about. So how do I make money from automating my payments? Guys, it's really simple. With the advent of online banking and online accounts, you'll now be able to set up automatic payments from your online banking. And what a lot of people don't notice from their online banking is they can actually pay and automate those transactions from their online savings account out to other accounts. So where traditionally you would use a debit card or a credit card, now you can also automate those payments from your online savings account to that expense, saving you fees or what we call lazy cash in your bank account. Because of where the transactional account is, there's no interest earned, versus your online savings account where there is interest earned. So by automating your transaction straight out of your online account, you can actually earn interest up to that point where you need to pay the expense. Whereas traditionally, you may have had to wait for the debit to come out of that transaction account, which is costing you money. The second benefit out of that is also that you know that you've paid that transaction. So it happens in a timely manner when it exits your account. You know when it's supposed to be going, so you can actually budget your cash flow a lot easier rather than having it debited from your account, whereas you may or may not know it's coming out and you may have a shortfall in your account. With automating these transactions out of your account, you know exactly when the funds are going to be leaving and you know how much is going to be leaving. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, please give us a thumbs up and also subscribe below for more like this.